The people who know me know say me know the biggest social media fan. Me no follow up social media like that. Me no post as much. Me no go live. Me just use it for my music and just all I vibe with my people. Me get to me and say all I joy with my friend them when me ready. You get to me and say just for my music, for my fans. Recently I post my water bill. Because I have to do it, you know. I have to do it. I'm going to post my water bill. 540,000. $78.61. 27th of August 2021. I get a water bill for $44,000. The water bill, I understand it. You see me? I understand the $40,000 to $44,000 bill because I tiled the other house a leak. You see me? My sister the unaware and it did a leak and thing, and my mother go to the house and see it and call me and tell me say yo the toilet a leak, she lock it off. I say alright mums. One of my dog them go up at the house, none knows the toilet a leak. I use the same toilet there. I've opened back the valve, it start leak again. So the 44,000 go up to 70,000. Because I never pay the 44,000. Same time, you see me? So I go up to 70,000. Because I say, yo, Jano, this leak without the house, we need to get it sorted out, this toilet leak. Because worker going in the house and tell my old man, say, yo, when I go back up at the house, this is how I go on, you know, Ray, just get it rectified for me. I say, yeah, man, I get the plumber to come deal with it, Ray, whatsoever. The G says, so boom, and deal with it, see? So it deal with, so I have to pay the bill now, but I dep on the road, I have a couple show well, I have a whole heap of things I deal with. I don't get to the bill same time. Unfortunately, this is my biggest problem this, you know. NWC went to my premises, disconnected the water. As they had all right to because I never paid the bill. On the 29th of October, the man never disconnect the water. As me get news of the water disconnect, me pay the bill the same night. Them reconnect the bill. To let me pay it, it couldn't reconnect same time. Them reconnect the water the next day, the 30th. 70,000, you know. Me pay 75, just to make sure. Just to make sure. Just add the extra 5. Alright, 75,000. Pay the 75,000 now. This was the 29th of October, the water cut off, and then them pay the bill fee. They pay the bill the same day and then reconnect it the 30th. So they went on the premises the 29th and they went again the 30th. You see the 1st of November. You see the 1st of November, bad man. Me get a bill. Look out. You see if you can see it. Oh, may I find a way to get it on the screen. Alright. 1st of November, $250,981.22. See? The 1st of November. Remember, you know, just follow me, you know. Them go up on the premises the 29th and then go up on it the 30th. And see the 1st of November, the bill is for $250,000. So them say, okay, so that is not. So the bill when I say at for the 1st of November was calculated during the period of September 22nd and October 25th. Remember when me telling you say them go up on the premises go cut off the water, you know, the 29th of October, you know. So NWC, oh, it never had a show up on the system, say, I owe more than $70,000. Oh, it never show, say, I owe $70,000 plus this $250,000. So when you disconnect my water, when you know, say, yo, the $70,000 when I pay wasn't sufficient, so I need to pay more for open back the line. See? So them say, the 25th to the 25th of October is from the 22nd of September to the 25th of October is $250,000 worth of water, them say. Me use. And when just cut off my water, you know, and go reconnect it back upon the 30th in a bad man with me having this outstanding bill. Okay. So, I'm gonna leave my premises the 30th. And alas, 2 days after, The 1st of November is this bill. The bill is dated the 1st of November for $250,000. However, I never received this bill until the 25th of November with a due date the 22nd of November. Because obviously I'm a magician. So I get the bill 3 days past the due date. Alright. I think it done. 5 days after. NWC this again. 5 days after the 30th of November, me get a next bill. 540,078.61. 5 days after me get this bill, you know. After me get the one for 250, me get the next one. 5 days after. Some reason them reach out to me, say them go up at the yard. So them go up at the yard. I mean, I wanted the bridge up on the phone to them. I say, yo, bro, this not make no sense, you know. As when I go up on my premises and left the premises, I get a water bill for $250,000, you know. Is this a coincidence? The man I go forward on the phone and go say, yeah, man, it's a coincidence, DJ. I say, alright, bad man. So I say, alright. 5 years I got charges. I probably should have got a couple more years. So I say, yo, me dunce, brother, me dunce. Me don't really have much sense. Charges me never learn nothing of charges. The subject that I get, you know, really relevant right now. So explain to me. More want in the dunces format to explain how this makes sense right now. You tell me, bro. $540,000 worth of water for 2 months, and my house is not the ark of Kevin Smith talk. And my house I must the ark of Mr. Kevin Smith talk about it, Sir Excellency. And my house are the ark. Oh, my house wash your bad man and now I'm flat. It's a hill, me live on the people. No water, no show up on the road. No water, no show up on the premises. Say, the whole place, you know, so no water, seep. Bro, what you tell me, say? What not tell me, say, dog? What not tell me, say, bad man? What not tell me, say, hombre? What not tell me, say, dog? It now make no sense, what not tell me, dog? Me, I go say, dog, oh, this makes sense. The man I got tell me, he said, DJ, probably when you come reconnect the water, the pressure bust on the pipe then. What? Bad man. So, people, come see it forward now. So, I see it, boom. And tell my old man, say, yo, hear me what you do. Just repipe the whole yard. So, I dig up the whole of the old pipe, then I run the new pipe in my yard. So, repipe the whole yard. The man says, I repipe the whole yard. The man them got the place today and I say, I show it repipe me, it not show. I say, yo, wanna take me for eat that our bad man? Wanna take me for what? Wanna take me for fool our hombre? Wanna take me for, cause me never want them go the yard and say, oh, it's underground here, so. I want welded here, so. And underground here, so. If you drill too deep, you reach a Japan, that's why the water not seep up. Because guess what now? Listen the reason why the man them gonna tell me. The meter can't lie. The computer can't lie. The meter and the computer is God. It's God. Then me can't lie then, bad man. I wanna control the meter, I wanna control the computer. I wanna tell me, say, it can't lie. Me control my phone. 4 people call since me up on the live. 4 people call since me record this. I mean, control the phone, you know. Only know if I true me, I tell a lie. Only can't tell because it's me control. It's only control the computer and the meter. When I tell me say that, brother, logically it now make no sense. As when I leave my premises the 30th, the 29th and leave it again the 30th. Me water bill gonna $250,000 bad man. I'm not gonna tell me say it have to right? Eh? Oh, me I gonna reason with the man on the phone. He might tell me say, yo DJ, you know say when we look forward come assess it. Me forward say, me realize that you're a place, because I see all movements up here, and me get to realize that you're a place, and really and this and that, and true you go load it up now, you know, say boss all day or two, you know. So, me can't even raise, because true boss there and really. Bad man, I wanna tell me, say dog. So, you admit, say, find out my place, you know, brother. You admit, say, find out my place, dog. You get to me, I say, bro, and only true me have a platform, bro. Make I ain't idea, don't even forward, for come even try, say, when they can't come try, see something. And when, me G with up on the ground and reason with the boss and I say, bossy, you know, say this now make no sense. I'm going to say I'm going to make some more checks in the office, but the meter can't be wrong. Bro, it now make no sense when I tell me, bro. It now make no sense, bad man. It now make no sense when I tell me, say, bro. You see me? But me know a system going on. You see me? Me see Bob Marley them fight. Me see Marcus them fight. Me see body fight. We know we can't beat the system, you know, bro. That's why if you ask any police officer when them stop governor, me say, how are you, sir? How are you today? You see me? Me deal with no proper bad man, because I know one half and I know the depend dog. Because if you get to you, if you just rise and buy a house in a 1 year, one and have to work 20 years to do it, it is a felony, bro, and I know that. Me are aware of them thing there, bro. Me know them thing there, bro. Me are aware of them situations there, bro. You get to me, I say, dog? Me say to me name Azan and me name this and that. Me can't call my phone and say, yo, call the boy over immigration and make him know, say, I'm a food my name. What am I do? And him I say, oh, sorry, me never realize. Me just say, you're one of them boy that way. You get to me, I say? It's true, me can't make them call the bad man on the face. Brother, I ain't idea, you know. I system, you know. Me know me can't win, you know. So me know, so the bill probably has 600,000. And job bless me enough for me can pay it now. Me I go pay it, you know. I go pay, come I have to pay. Me not go fool myself, because I know the system. You get me, I say, bro? But me making it a weird now, I probably save a couple more get a youth, you know, from my high bill, you know. You get me, I say, dog? But everything good, me have to pay it. Job bless me enough, when me can pay it, I'm not going to lose no sleep. So everything good. You get me, I say? It's only unfortunate, say, that could have got to helping some get a youth, you know, dog. You get me, I say? But me have to pay on the scam, you know, bad man. Because you know idea? I'm a youth them also, you know. You see me? Because nothing I do in life right now for me, you know. I for me youth them, you know. I'm youth them also. I know so it's not like a light. When you own a house and you name them on it and you have to deal with water, you have to pay off water bill if you want to sell the house there. You can't change it. You can't say somebody new fall up on the premises and you want to change over the name. The water have to pay off. So I'm youth them house, I'm youth them home, and I'm going to deal with it, you know. But everything good, man, bad man. You get me I say? Everything good. NWC. Me just do it. Me just do this to come highlight on the dog and highlight the system. Bigger heads on want changing of the system, bad man, you have to change from by top. See, man, them sit down in the AC for 24 hours, you have to change from up this dog. You have to change from up this dog. I saw a system beat get a youth all the time, bro. Cause now tell me say there's no, me can't fight it, bad man. Cause even if I go say I'm gonna get a liar, it still cost me some amount of money, so it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. So I say I try to fight it, you know. It don't make no sense, bro. So, I'm going to pay on the 600,000, you know, bad man. Because I have to do it, you know. You see me? Because I not try to trick myself, bro. You get me? I know I have to do it. I know I have to do it. So, it will get done in the dog. But I just do this for just show us that, yo, you see, system we get a youth, and just, brother, I tell you, that's why I see far from one, bro. That's why I see far from one, bro. That's why I see far. Ask them about me. Them call about dub for politics. Me say, yo, bro, me tell them nicely. Listen to me. All the best with your endeavors, but I not get involved with that, bad man. Me stay far from police. Me stay far from politics. Me stay far from... Because me already know what it is, bro. Me not try to trick myself, brother. Enough man a idiot to it. Enough man a fool to it, bro. Me born and growing at this. Me know what it is, bad man. Me know what it is, bro. Me know what system is, youth. Me know what it is. It do it to me already. Do it to my friend them already. Still I do it, bro. It still I do it, brother. Get a youth with power money is like a crime, bad man. It's like a felony youth. Naturally, bro. You see me? Naturally, bro. Naturally, food for the poor and Salvation Army going at the ghetto right now and help some ghetto youth. Just hear to them as a charity company. If me going at the ghetto and help some ghetto youth right now, yes, I mean, I'm done. You much gun me buy, you much treat me, keep me, never hear none. I want to highlight none of them things there in the bad man. You get what I say? No, something but me can't, me no lose, brother, me no lose sleep over because I already know what system. But, me know what it's about. Me not trick myself, youth. Me know what it's about, me know what it's about already, dog. That's why I just go about my business and just go on, my girl let and Ray and this and that and just hold my vibe, bro. You see me, I stop DJ Badman song. You think I'm me, that's a police, me stop DJ Badman song, you know. You have enough to me not come talking, you know. Every time when I just run going over my friend them here and terrorize my friend them over years, you know, dog. You see me? And when soon raise a police friend on the pine to my friend them can't live in a peace because I know a system in the dog. I know a system in the youth. And so when they can't get to me, when they try to do them things, they bring down man friend them and bring down. I saw it going in the dog. Cause guess what? Get a youth if you have nothing at all, nothing in a life, boy, you youth. You see me? But that's why I just play it safe and stay far from one of the dog and just go through bad man. Cause we know we can't beat the system. We already know that. You know, in a sense, dog. It is what it is, though. You see me? NWC, you win. Everything good.